What do you think, dear?
I think that it's going to be a storm. It's not going to be too bad. You're not supposed to have me on video.
Oh, well, I can't help myself. Yeah. Hopefully we won't get too much, but
It's really getting dark.
something coming in. So over in that direction is getting a pretty good dose of it, I think. And away we go. Oh, get some hail coming down. Look at that. A little hail coming down there. It came on quick, didn't it? And some more hail. More lightning. Hail, yeah. This is little stuff, huh? What do you think, Bella? What do you think, Cherokee?